Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video I'm going to be teaching you how I do my daily skincare routine. Today's video, I think it's going to be very challenging for me because I'm not an expert about skincares, because I started doing skincare when I was like maybe 18 years old. And guys, about skincare products, I do have some, and I think I'm learning day by day about skincare products, about which product is good for my skin, because I think all girls have the same problem, right? Because every single time that we go to a market, we girls especially, there are so many options, so many products there, and I think we don't know which one we should choose, right? Because there's so many and we don't understand which product is for what. So guys, I brought all of these products here so I can show you a little bit of all the products that I have for skincare. However, today's I'm just going to be using this one, this one, the little one, this one, and this one, and this one, and maybe yeah, this one. Okay, so these products here, and I'm going to be deleting and putting them out, these two, but they are so amazing. I'm going to give you guys some explanation about these two products. So guys, this one, it is a Brazilian brand, and I remember my grandma, she said she used to use this a lot. So I remember that she has such a good skin even when she was like 90 years old, and I remember she said she used to use this a lot. So I think it maybe has a good reason for. It's a very good product to clean your skin before you put any makeup on and remove all of the dirty from your skin. So I recommend this product a lot. But they smell, honestly, is not one of my favorites. It's a little bit like an alcohol, you know. It's giving like sanitizer maybe, but it's okay. I mean, it's not a big deal. So yes, so this product here, it's very good. Next, we are going to be talking about the creamy product. I got this a month ago and I'm in love. I'm obsessed, literally. I'm obsessed with this product because it's making my skin texture look so much better. I have a lot of pores, especially in my nose area, but if you have sensitive skin, this one might be a little bit complicated because it's a little bit heavy. I would not recommend if you have a sensitive skin, because for me, for example, I do have a sensitive skin and I got this product, so I'm being so hypocrite. But I do have sensitive skin as well, and I remember that in the first weeks my skin got very reddish, you know, and very red, but right now it's totally okay. So you don't need to feel like maybe afraid to get one of these products. But I also recommend you to guys, it's okay for like normal skin, like mixed or like dry skins, and they say that you should avoid to use this product a day. Maybe you should apply sunscreen with it, because it's like it's a nest, right? So it's not good to use in the morning part, because it's gonna make your skin burned. Yes, and I'm getting very passionate about this brand. Every single product is very good. Okay guys, so let's move on to my skincare, right? Because you guys are waiting for that and I'm just like making this video so long again. So to begin, guys, I like to wash my face first, and for that I like to use some bar soap. Okay guys, so let's get started. So for my skincare, I like to go first with this CAUDALIE grape water. So it's very good to hydrate your skin, and if you suffer from reddish, you should get some of this. Let's shake it. And shake it off, and then I apply just a little bit like that because I will not get another one when this run out because this is so expensive. Oh my gosh, why Harvard made this brand so expensive? Harvard, be good. As you guys can see, I have a little bit right here, but maybe it's gonna disappear soon. Okay, so the product is this one here, and I got this one for free. That's a miracle because nowadays it's almost impossible to get anything for free, but I got this and I'm so glad. Okay guys, so right now I am going to be using this micellar water, this one by Avenue. Okay, and guys, I do have sometimes some makeup product like concealer or even like my eyeliner. They got stuck under my eyes and it's pretty tricky to remove them, so I just like to apply this because it's gonna remove my makeup too, so it's good. Do you know my nose? I do have this part here and I just like to clean it too, and especially these areas here as well. Okay, so, and guys, please don't be scared. I know I'm too close to the camera right now, but I am just trying to help. Well done, it's perfect. So I have this product already on my face. After that, I like to be using the Glow Recipe Toner, the famous, the trend, this one. I know everybody wants this product and I wanted so bad and I got it and I'm so happy. So I took so many years to get this one because it's so expensive. Like, I think it's in Brazil it's like 3 to 5 real. Like, it's insane. I mean, in Canada when I was living there it was cheaper, but for me it was still very expensive because I wanted makeup products. I didn't want to spend my money with skincare products, but I know I do love doing makeup, so I need to treat myself. I need to take care of my skin, and I know that I need skincare products, but I was like, no, I don't want to spend my money with skincare products. I regret. I refuse. I want to get my money and spend my money, get my money, but with my makeup products, not with my skincare products, because it's not fun. Like, this is not fun. Can you see something in my face right now? You cannot see blush, color. So, but then I grew up, I got mature, and I was like, you know, Mariana, you need this product because you are so addicting to makeup. You should take care of your skin, because I spend many hours of my day with a lot of makeup and I know that I need to take care of my skin, so that's why I know that I need skincare products. One, it's the famous watermelon glow recipe, watermelon glow, but it's a toner and they recommend you to apply with your hands. So I just open like that and they say you should put on your hands like that, and then you can just apply with your hands and not with a cotton or whatever. While I'm doing this, while I'm applying my toner, I like to make some massage on my face. Okay, so you guys can just be like putting the product and pressing with your hands so the product can get and I just like to be doing some Asia massage on my forehead. Okay, that's cute. The smell is very nice, but I don't think it smells like watermelon. That's our secret. Okay, I got disappointed. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to be using these two products to finish my skincare, so I do not apply many products, guys, because I know that our skin cannot absorb so many products. So I saw many girls applying so many products, like putting masks, and I think sometimes it's so nice because like I'm not criticizing. I think it's very cool because you're taking care, you're like doing something for your mental health as well. Like, okay, I'm doing something for my body, for my face, I'm feeling good with myself. That's awesome. But at the same time, we should know that at least 4 or 3 products, it's more than enough. Okay, don't forget that, guys. I don't know how to explain that, but I'm obsessed with this product. Like, it's just how can I say, it's magic. It's literally the formula of the beauty secrets it has right here. But I got the mini version because I didn't know that was good, and I regret a lot because this is my favorite one, and I got this one in the big version, the big size. This is the big one and this is the small one. I'm gonna show you so you guys can compare. But this one is so amazing, so I would rather choose this one 1 million more times than this one. But both are good, but this one's better. Well, guys, so let's keep going. And right now I'm going to be just applying this because so I like to apply here, on my forehead, my chin. Hey, look, there are no filter here. So as you can see, look how glowy, shiny this product gives to you. And you can also apply under your eye. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the final product to end this video, I'm going to be using this Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. And this one is the most important part of your skincare. If you do not have time to do your skincare every single day, there is no problem. But you should apply every single night before you go to bed a moisturizer. This is the most important part of your skincare. You need to have a moisturizer in your skincare bag. Okay, you need to have a moisturizer. It doesn't matter which one you choose, but this one is pretty good. However, you can get any one that you like, but a moisturizer is the most important thing in your skincare. So this brand you can get also at Sephora. It has this little star here, pretty cute. To apply 1 pump like that, actually 2 pumps like this, so you can just get it and then you can just like apply all over your skin and bring it all of the product to your neck as well. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all have enjoyed it. If you do, please let your like, your comment, follow me on my social media. This is my Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful for having you here. Bye.